Hello guys and welcome to the random tutorials, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss that how to multiply two matrices. In this previous video we will discuss that how we can add two matrices. So in this video we are going to discuss that how we can multiply two matrices. Okay, so let me take the matrix first here. So the matrix first is this: 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, this is matrix 1, and then I having a matrix 2 is m2. It is denoted by m2, and the second matrix is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So these are the two matrices we have. So before multiplying these two matrices, first we will have to check that the order. So why I'm saying 2 is because 3 into 2. This is the order of first matrices. Okay, 3 into 2. This is the order of first matrices, and 2 into 3 is the order of second matrices. So there is a rule before multiplying the matrices. There is a certain rule to multiply the matrix. Okay, so if I want to multiply the matrices, I have to check out that what is the order, and in this order, the number of column of matrix 1 should be equal to the number of rows of second matrices. If both are equal, then I am able to multiply these two matrices. Okay, so how we can multiply two matrices? Let me show you. Okay, so the order of new matrices will be 3 is to 3. This is M3, matrix M3, and the order of matrix M3 is 3 is to 3. And how I calculate this order is by neglecting the number of columns of first matrices and the number of rows of second matrices. Then what is the resultant of these two order of both the matrices is 3 is to 3. So there is 3 is to 3 here. So M3. So how I can multiply this matrices? So let me show you the number of columns. See, the number of rows of first matrices will be multiplied by the number of columns here. So if I want to estimate, or you can say calculate the R1 C1 element. Okay, the R1 C1 element, this is C1, C2 and C3. Here we have R1, R2 and R3. So if I want to calculate the R1 C1 element of matrices third, so I have to multiply it. Okay, I have to calculate it. So how I can calculate? So the number one element, the R1 C1 of first matrices will be multiplied by the R1 C1 of second element, first element, sorry, R1 C1 of matrix second. So here we are going to execute is 1 into 1 plus 4 into 2. Then again we are going to multiply the uh, first row into second column to figure to estimate the R1 C2 element of second row. So again we will multiply 1 into 3 plus 4 into 4, 4 into 4. Then again we will multiply the row of first matrices into the third column of second matrices. So here we multiply r into 5 plus 4 into 6. So this is the element of matrix third, which is multiplication of these both matrices. I will state here m1 into m2. Okay, so I will do fastly here. 2 into 1 plus 2, 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 multiply by 5 into 4, 2 into 5 plus 5 into 6. Okay, 3 into 1 and 6 into 2. Again 3 into 3 plus 6 into 4. Then again we will multiply 3 into 5 plus 6 into 6. So these are the element of matrix third. Okay, please don't mind, the video will go further from my previous videos, because of this topic is very lengthy and it takes a lot of time to cover it. So please don't mind for this. And then last, I have to just calculate these both values, and then I will find out that what is the resultant matrices. So this is the resultant matrix, so you can plus multiply it and figure out the values, what is the values, and the all values then we will get from the multiplication and addition is the resultant. This is will be M3, the new matrices. Okay, so but if I tell you, like suppose the matrix is like this: 2 into 3, 4 into 5, 6, 7, and the second matrices will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the order of matrix 1, let me suppose this is a matrix, the order will be what? 2 into 3, because we having 3 columns here and we having 3 rows. Okay, so we having here 3 rows and 2 columns. So again we are able to multiply these matrices. Okay, can we multiply these matrices? Yes, because the number of columns, and the number of rows are same, B matrices are same, so we can multiply these two matrices, because in the order of A matrices the number of columns are equals to the number of rows, so we can easily multiply these two matrices. Okay, so the resultant matrices will be A into B. A into B will be the order of 2 into 2. Okay, so we can easily multiply these two matrices here. But can we multiply the inverse? Let me talk about that. Can we multiply the inverse? Let's suppose we having like this: 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we having matrices like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Please don't mind for the 8. So this is the matrix A, and this is the matrix B, and the number of the order of this matrices is 2 is to 2, and the order of second matrices is 3 is to 3. So can we multiply these both matrices? Of course we can't multiply these both matrices here. We can't multiply these both matrices because the number of rows and the number of columns are not same here. So we can't multiply these two matrices. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope that you learn something new. You learn something new in this video. So take care till then. I hope you enjoy this session, and I will upload further new videos in the upcoming new channel. Okay, so tada.